Okay, it looks like I'm white, and I'm going to be playing all two twos. Pretty hard to do, but I think I can do it. And so this is the biggest area, so we're just going to split it and make a base. And he protects his corner. Okay. So he probably has the most potential on this side over here. So I think I'm going to play here. With these, it's very hard to make territory. So he just plays solid. That's helping me out a lot, actually. So he does have an invasion point here, so I'm going to play here, which is kind of developing something here, and also aiming at this invasion, which he just defends. And why not? We'll take this entire half of the board. Okay, so he pincers here. I really want to start a fight, so I don't want to let him connect under. So I think I'm going to play the Kasumi and jump. Not sure he can really capture this in one move, but I gotta defend my cutting point. And he goes here. So now I think if he plays here, he's pretty much capturing the corner in one move. I'm going to go ahead and try to make a base here, which is also kind of aiming at a cut here, but he's defending it. And I can Hane here because I can Atari and capture. Okay, he just connects. Okay, and I'm just going to make a tiger's mouth connecting to this stone. And this was not quite alive yet, I don't think, but now I think it's pretty much dead. I could push through, cut. Then when he goes here, there's a double Atari. But, so a little bit slow to do that. So now I can maybe try and build something over here. Or I can even invade here, but this is kind of weak. We'll try this one. Just trying to make this territory. He does protect his cut. This group is weak. I think I'm going to try and press this down to see if I can make it stronger in Sente, and then come back and try to make this point. He didn't respond, he jumped here. So yeah, I think I'm going to just make another move here to try and make this all territory. And another move here to make this territory. He still has a cut here, so yeah, he defended it. That's pretty good. And I'm just going to run my group out. He does this Atari, but I don't think it's really Sente. It might be. So if I go here, I connect. He connects. I connect. Not sure. I think I'll just jump out here, making this group stronger. And if I can connect these two, then I can aim at this weakness. Yep, just gonna make this territory. He goes here, so if he pushes, I block. If he jumps in, I just cut. If he attaches, I go here. Here. There is some weaknesses there. So I think I'll go ahead and protect that. So he's trying to reduce me. It feels very painful to just block here. I'm thinking I'm going to Hane here. If he goes here, I descend. Then he goes here. Doesn't do much. So maybe I just have to go here. If I go here, he cuts. I don't think there's anything extra I can do. I can maybe do this one to try and push through, but he can just Atari connect, and then I Atari. And not sure I really gained anything. Okay, I'll just protect my points. Even though it feels like I should try to do something better, I'm not sure I can. And he goes there. This seems bad because now I can get Sente by pushing here. So he should have just did something else. So now that all of this is kind of connected, I think I can try and invade here. Or I can attach here. I kind of like the attach better, I think. It seems a little bit more forceful. And he just goes there. So if I just extend up, he Hane as I go here, there's a cut here. So I think I need to do a knight's move. And if he tries to capture, I can just Atari. I kind of want to Hane, and if he Ataris, I Atari. He captures, I go here, and then there's still weakness in the corner. If I go here, he goes here, I connect, he pushes through, I capture, and I can still live. So I think this works. And just living on this side seems like it'd be a little bit better than just running out. Yeah, I'll just connect and run out, because now he has a weak group. And I can still connect to this one like this. So he jumps here, trying to make this weaker. I'm going to jump here to make some points on the side, kind of connect my group. And also I can play this move to get rid of its eyes. Okay, he has quite a bit of shape issues here. but he can cut me, but I don't think that's a big deal. Yeah. So if I just connect here, he has to make eyes, and I get to get rid of the points in his corner. He could block here, which would be nice. I really wanted to play here. So he's pretty much alive. I kind of want to play here to force him to play here because it doesn't really affect my corner that much. But now if he tries to push through and cut, I have a snapback. Okay, so now this is the weakest group, so I think I'm going to push here and then connect my stones. So now that this is not 100% alive, he goes there. Yep, that is Sente. And I can block here because when he pushes here, and he cuts, I can Atari. Just going to connect my groups. Okay, so he does defend. It's a bit bad because I can still play here and here to get rid of this eye. But for now, I'm just going to focus on connecting my groups. Okay, so he goes back and he defends it again. But I can still push through here to mess with his eye shape. And I think I'll just jump here, again poking at his eyes and trying to make a few extra points here. And not really sure how I can profit from this, so I might just Tanuki for now and maybe start trying to play some in-game. Not really sure what the biggest would be though. I think I'll just connect here because then I can play in-game next. He Atari's there. I guess I'll connect because it's supporting the connection here. I'm just going to connect, threatening the snapback, which this is too small, so he shouldn't respond. Yep, so that was good. And yep, just going to connect, keep my points. Okay, so he's trying to make some points here, so I'm going to kind of just jump in here to reduce it. Not too worried about that one. If I go here and he tries to cut, I can always threaten to like push through here. Yeah, I think I can get away with this one. Defend my connection. And he protects his as well, that's good. This endgame seems pretty big, so I'll go ahead and play this one. He turns there. So if he goes here, I connect, he pushes. I go here, he can capture 2 stones. That seems pretty big, but I think the monkey jump is bigger. Although if I do the monkey jump, he blocks here. It's not really Sente, but I think I'll try the smaller one. He blocks here. That's interesting, because now if he goes here, I connect, so I can just jump again. So this feels like wrong direction. And I guess he wants to go for the Ko. So if I block here, he goes here. If I extend, he can do the Ko, but I can play this one. So now when he blocks here, I can just keep extending. So now he has to go here, and then I can keep pushing. So it feels like he lost a lot of territory here. And he still has to keep pushing. And so now I can even save this stone, and this group is not alive yet. So that was a very big in-game mistake. Probably had about like 15, 20 points here, and now it's all kind of just gone. And now he kind of lost his opportunity to capture this one, because he has to come over here and try and live. But I can still kind of poke at his eye shape here, which he's already alive. He doesn't really need to respond to any of this. But it looks like he's going to let me capture the 1 stone, so that's big. He pushes through, but now that's not really a thing. Okay, he blocks here. I'm going to play more in-game. This one seems really big. It should be Sente as well. And I'll play here just to stop him from making points and block here. He does have in-game here because he can play here in Sente, but he hasn't played it yet. So if I play there first, it's reverse Sente. And I think he should have played that instead of playing here. Yeah, now I'm just going to play that one. Keep pushing. I'm pretty sure I'm ahead. Yeah, it says I'm winning by about 57. Let me know what you guys think about this, and if you like the weird opening thing. And I'll see you next time.